I have a question. Actually, many questions for you all. How should design look in the future? What does it mean to design something or someone? What is the act of designing? How do we design? What does design mean to you? So many questions, yet so many unanswered. Though it does leave many opportunities, many doors to be open. Before we explore what I think could be the future of design, let's take a look backwards so that we can propel forward greater than ever before. By definition, design is the act to represent the look, the feel, and the purpose of an artifact. By definition, to design means to plan something before actually making it. We represent this through drawings, sketches, and even handmade models. One can say that design is the blueprint of life. Such practice is deeply rooted within humans since the beginning. However, the means to design is complex. Such challenges not only bring physical and emotional blocks, but mentally as well. For example, can you design? If you thought no, then why? Perhaps the means to be creative comes to mind, and for many we can easily say we are not creative, and that those who are born talented and gifted are creative. For example, every human can draw, though not all can draw very well. Given this, some easily obtain the mindset that they are not creative enough because they cannot do it as well. I'm about to tell you that creativity is inherent in all of us. Design and creativity are not synonymous. They exist as separate entities. When design is harnessed and understood, we create conscience, accountability, and responsibility for our actions, thereby its consequences. Design can be powerful when utilized, as it can influence great goodness or great chaos on our society. Throughout history, research considered the methods to design as an unlocked ability to learn what is considered being creative. Design is rhetorical, design is persuasive. Design heavily relies on intuition, collectively built from our experiences consciously and unconsciously. We can now deconstruct the complexities of the design process that people do seemingly naturally. We can now deeply articulate how we see things, why we see things the way we do, and why we do and feel things the way we do. By understanding the rich human history and achievements that have led to today, design is more than a mere hobby of one's interest. We create things in order to shape the world around us. The very same world also shapes us. It impacts individuals, it changes our environments. We coexist with all around us. Within history, names of great designers, leaders, authors, artists, etc. may have been long forgotten, though their contributions project where we are today. Even as I speak, the names we know now may soon be forgotten. Design should be future-focused. In order to do that, we must take a step backwards and learn from our past and present. What can we learn and improve upon? What can we prevent? I like to describe this, the slingshot effect. By designing for good, we design for a good future. By looking at past mistakes and events, design should facilitate growth, thereby advance human experiences. It should help to host and alleviate voices, bringing more inclusivity and empathy into insightful discussion. Like I said, design should be future-focused, meaning we also take a step forward and embrace the grey. By valuing many perspectives, we lead an open mind of curiosity. Yet, we still preserve a balance to not endlessly latch onto future innovations. Otherwise, we may be set back unexpectedly. Our aim is to persevere and adapt. Technology continues to penetrate our lives to an over-obsession which may raise concern for humanity. Such emerging technology include innovations like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, virtual reality. Technology offers cool gadgets, but are the brands who are offering them to consumers doing it for quality or quantity? Do these digital designs create tangible, thoughtful differences in our world, or do they generate superficial, materialistic overconsumption means? Technology offers many unique, original designs. But what is it when it does not generate energy that channels great value to others? Nothing, no matter how good it is. Design should be human-centered, not not commercial value, but also social value, not made shallow to sell, but made for a purpose. We design machines like AI, but can machines design us? Will they replace us? If you ask me, rather than replace, technology will further help understand our cognitive processes, offering more practicality and improve individual needs. A world without human-centered design is a world that ceases to exist.